If you're seeing an error occur during installation on itch.io, don't worry. This is usually a simple fix, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest way to solve it. We'll go step by step so you can refresh the download, rule out browser issues, and get your game or app installed properly. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and gaming tutorials. First, the simplest fix is to refresh the page. Sometimes the error happens because the page didn't load correctly or the download session timed out. So go back to the itch.io page and refresh it once, then try the download again. Before you do that, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the installer download and cause the installation to fail. If your connection is fine, the next thing to do is clear your browser cache and cookies. Old cached data can interfere with the itch.io download process, especially if the file was partially loaded or the page was updated. After clearing the cache, close the browser completely and reopen it before trying again. If the error still appears, try another browser. Chrome and Edge usually work well, but if you're already using one, switch to the other and repeat the download process. This helps identify whether the issue is coming from your browser settings or extensions. Speaking of extensions, if you use a VPN, disable it temporarily. Some downloads can fail when a VPN changes your location, blocks certain connections, or triggers security restrictions. Once the VPN is off, go back to itch.io and click Download again. Make sure you're clicking the official download button on the itch.io page and not an expired or incomplete link. After that, let the file fully download before opening it. If the download was interrupted, even slightly, the installer may show an error during installation because the file is incomplete or corrupted. So wait until the browser shows the download is finished, and if needed, check the file size to make sure it completed properly. If everything looks correct, try running the installer again. In many cases, one of these steps will fix the issue right away. So to recap, refresh the page, check your internet, clear cache and cookies, try a different browser, disable your VPN, and download the file again from itch.io. These simple steps solve a lot of installation errors without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.